Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the TCL Q75H Soundbar, a home audio upgrade that can instantly make your TV setup feel more premium. Right from the unboxing, the first thing you notice is how solid and well built it feels. The design is sleek and minimal, so it fits perfectly under most TVs or can be mounted neatly on the wall without looking bulky or out of place. It has that clean, modern style that blends into your living room instead of distracting from it. Once you power it on, the difference compared to normal TV speakers is immediate. The sound feels fuller, richer, and more immersive, making movies and shows far more enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights is the dialogue clarity. Voices come through crisp and clear, even during action scenes where background music and explosions would normally overpower what people are saying. That means less volume adjusting and a much smoother viewing experience. The bass performance is also surprisingly strong for a compact soundbar. It adds a satisfying punch to explosions, deep beats, and dramatic moments without making everything sound muddy. The balance is done really well, so the mids and highs stay clean while still giving your content that cinematic depth. When it comes to music, the TCL Q75H holds up nicely too. Whether you're listening to pop, rock, podcasts, or even softer acoustic tracks, the sound stays warm, detailed, and comfortable for long sessions. Bluetooth streaming is reliable, letting you connect your phone or tablet easily without dealing with wires, and switching between TV audio and music feels seamless. The remote is simple and user-friendly, with clear buttons for volume, sound modes, and track controls. You can quickly choose between movie, music, or dialogue modes depending on what you're watching. Setup is also stress-free, taking only a few minutes to place or mount securely. Overall, the TCL Q75H Soundbar delivers a major upgrade in clarity, bass, and immersion without the complexity of a full surround system. It's a stylish, affordable option that makes everyday entertainment sound noticeably better.